Start by downloading the extension from the LinkedIn Chrome extension page on your Just Recruit account. Once downloaded, unzip the folder by right-clicking, Extract All, and Extract. When extracted on a Windows computer, an extra folder is created. Select the JR Extensions folder that is within the first folder. For a Mac user, these steps may be different. Please check our user guides for more information. Now open Google Chrome and go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then hover over More Tools and click Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode in the top right hand corner. This will now show you the option to load Unpacked. Click this, select the Just Recruit extension unzipped folder and select Folder. Now you've added the extension, it's ready to use.